have generated over 4 million views with my Rookie Handyman channel, making simple videos about my hobby, fixing stuff. And the big part of that success is knowing how to make a viral thumbnail that will catch attention of someone who's interested in your niche, basically in your hobby. And today I will show you 3 simple steps that you can follow for every thumbnail design, and if you follow them, you will get more views, guaranteed. And please keep watching, because step number 3 is the most important one of them all. Now, I have done a lot of experimentation in my early days of YouTube, and many of my videos didn't get any traction, as you can see from these examples right here. I would just make any photo of the project that I was doing, and I was just hoping that that photo would be clear enough for my audience and my viewer to decide to click on my video and decide to watch my video. As you can see from these views right here, 30, 88, 105, even here the text is cropped here up and here down, so you basically cannot even read what is on this thumbnail right here. And it's actually very simple to make your thumbnail stand out, but it's so easy to overlook these simple steps. Step number 1 is to present the problem of your thumbnail, or even better, on one side present the problem and on the other side present solution to that problem, or present this problem already solved. Now let's take a look at some of good examples of my thumbnails that did really well for my Rookie Handyman channel. As you can see right here, I have a couple of videos that did pretty good, 1 million views, 500k views, 300k views, 200k views, and so on. As you can see, these thumbnails, they are pretty clear and they state the fact that I want to transfer to my audience. Cut and connect LED strip, cut it in half, how to cut and connect LED strip. Remove labels from a glass bottle, this is not the way to do it, this is the way to do it. How to open a can if you don't have a can opener. This is a little bit a curiosity thumbnail. Is it really this so easy to open a can? I need to check it out. I need to see. As you can see, every one of these thumbnails states clearly what's going on in this video. Cutting glass. You have one piece, you will have 2 pieces without glass cutter. How to inflate a car tire. If you don't know how to inflate it, on the left side you have a problem with the low pressure. On the right side you have solution how to do it. How to use air pump. So this is not the way to use it. We all have tried this way and it's very slow, it's not working, but here you just have to pay attention on a couple of settings on the air pump and it will be much easier for you. So this thumbnail clearly states the benefit that you will get from watching this video. Now, before we go to the steps 2 and 3, if you want to learn how to design thumbnails in Canva, and by the way, Canva is a free tool, everyone can use it. I have filmed the whole process of designing a thumbnail and I have integrated in my school community. As you can see right here, this is one thumbnail that I did for my recent Rookie Handyman video, and it's almost 19 minutes of whole thought process of what you should think about while doing a thumbnail and what is my thought process of making a successful thumbnail. So if you are interested, check it out in my free school group. Now, moving on to the most important elements of your thumbnail. As you can see right here, there is too much stuff going on these pictures. Yes, I have an arrow and I have circled something, but there's just too much stuff going on. Here also, this circle is way too small for me to notice what is that I want to talk about. And before and after, the change is not very visible what happened here before and after. Basically, you want your thumbnail to be as clear as possible, because you have just a millisecond to stop someone from scrolling and to wonder, that looks interesting, right? And that's why I recommend having only 3 to 4 elements on your thumbnails. As you can see right here on the good thumbnails example, each and every one of these thumbnails have only 3 to 4 elements right here. Small text, my hands holding LED strips, and the background. Basically just 3 elements right here. We have bottle, me scratching the bottle, and X mark. Bottle, me peeling off the label, and check mark. And here even better, we just have a can and a spoon and a text. 3 elements perfect. Here also, as you can see, we have problem, we have circled what the problem is, and we have solution. We are pointing at what is the solution. So these examples right here are very good examples, and you can model your thumbnails based on these examples right here. And finally, the most important step that makes a good thumbnail is connecting the title of your video to your thumbnail. Now, I know that this may sound strange a little bit, but if your title is not connected to your thumbnail and if it's not enhancing the statement that your thumbnail makes, no one will basically click to watch your video. Now, let's just take a quick look at two examples of videos where title and thumbnail are not connected. As you can see right here, the title of video goes auto folding video, automatic aluminum windows on site. But when you take a look at this picture, the main object in this picture right here is this pool, I think, and 3 minutes. Okay, we have a window, but we don't know if this window is opened or is this maybe a door, because it's pretty big, and it's not very clear how this title is connected with this thumbnail. Here also on the right example, this guy made a paint that is not afraid of fire and has no smell. Okay, that is very good title, but on the image right here we have pliers and we have heating gun with a fire, but here we have a board and so many elements here in the background. It is not very clear how this title is enhancing the thumbnail itself. So to recap one more time, you need to present the problem, or present the problem and present solution to this problem. You need to keep it clean. Put just 3 to 4 elements on your thumbnail and don't overcrowd it. And the step number 3 is to have a title that enhances your thumbnail. The title should make your thumbnail even more clearer. Now, if you want to see how much money I have made from my Rookie Handyman channel, then check out this video right here. Some of these statistics may surprise you.